Hi, in this video we'll have a look at some kind of questions that you can come across in the Tech Mahindra aptitude test verbal section, that is the verbal ability section. So in this particular slide you can see there's a synonym question. So it's an in context synonym as such. So it says people who chew with their mouths open really annoy me. So obviously we can understand that you are watching a person chewing with their mouth open. So it obviously angers you, it irritates you. So annoy means to irritate or to become angry. So C would be the appropriate choice. Let's go on to the next slide. This is an antonym question, which means opposites. The earth has an enormous molten core that contains a vast amount of energy. So you can see that enormous means huge, massive. So obviously opposite of that is tiny. So you need to choose C. So opposite of enormous is tiny, right? Let's go on to the next slide. Okay, there are a few questions available over here. All are fill in the blank questions. So you need to choose the suitable word and fill in the blank. So it says, the first one says, when Varun left the cocktail party, he was as dash as a judge. So it's pretty evident that a judge is a learned person, a very wise person. So you would go with A as your answer. Using elimination also, you can see that choice B is wrong, because VICE, wise, means on the negative side, that is causing harm to other people. And obviously a judge cannot be a hero as such, right? He can just be a wise person as such. So you go with option A. Let's go on to the next statement. Nobody can dash me to do anything which I do not want to do. So this guy means to say that nobody can force me to do anything. So force me or make me to do anything is all the same. So you would go with B as the suitable choice. The third statement, after the rain, the weather dash and the sun came out. So it's pretty evident that it was raining for some time, and then the clouds cleared, clouds went away. So that's why the sun came out. So B would be the suitable choice over here. So the weather cleared up and the sun came out. Let's go on to one more type of question. Here they're asking you to find the analogy between topaz and yellow. All right, so let's find out the relationship first and then find out which set of answers is correct. Topaz is yellow in color. Topaz is a gem, right? It's a stone. So that is yellow in color. Let's use some elimination, go about each choice that's given over there. Diamond and carat. Carat is used to weigh a diamond, that is, diamond is weighed in terms of carats. All right, so that is not related to topaz is to yellow, because here you are talking about the color of the stone. Similarly, jeweler and clarity has nothing to do with the color as such. Now sapphire is to red. Okay, now you got a stone, you got a color, but sapphire is normally blue in color, so obviously it won't be the suitable choice. The suitable choice over here is amethyst, which is actually purple in color. That's a stone called, there is a stone called amethyst which is purple in color. There is another stone called amber, but that is again, here they have given it as blue, but the actual color of amber is either it's yellowish or it's red, dark yellow or red in color. So the most suitable option over here would be D, which connects to the analogy topaz is to yellow. So amethyst is to purple is the correct answer. So these are some types of questions that you can encounter in the Tech Mahindra verbal ability section in the aptitude test. Thanks for listening.